You have definitely seen this viral baby dance video all over your timeline. Cute, funny, and pulling millions of views. In today's tutorial, I will share with you one powerful app that creates dance videos in minutes. But this is not for baby characters. I have tested all the previous platforms that most of your favorite gurus have created tutorial about. The problem is a lot of those platforms are no longer free and they do not allow you create these videos without paying. Hence the reason I made my research and brought up this video. And you already know this is Zara Studios. We don't gatekeep and we definitely do not do the regular. So if you love trending AI tools and viral content strategies, like this video and subscribe because massive value awaits you. Now, let's dive in. To generate this type of video, the very first thing we need is an image. So go to Pinterest and type in Nigerian lady or any country of your choice, okay? So I'm gonna scroll down and I'll be using this exact image right here of our queen, Hilda Bassi, the Guinness World Record holder. So I'm just gonna click here to download this image. You can actually use any image of your choice. You can use your own image to do this. Now come to ChatGPT, click on the upload button, upload the image you downloaded from Pinterest. So here is the prompt I gave it. Convert this image to a 3D pixel style character with the full body showing, including both hands and legs on a plain background. So I'm going to click on enter. So I click on enter. You can actually use any image of your choice to do this. You can use your own personal image. You can use any other person's image to do this. So I got an error message that it couldn't convert the image to a 3D pixel style character for me. So I had to just remove the pixel and repeated the same thing. So I told it to convert it to a 3D animated style character with full body showing, hands and legs, and this is what we have. I'm super excited about this. So just click here and save this onto your device. The very next thing is for us to come to TikTok and download any dance song of our choice. So you can just click on the search bar and type in the name of your favorite dance artist that you like. Okay, so or you could just type in trendy dance. So as you can see, this is one. You can scroll down and pick any one that you like. So there are two ways to download this. You can just click on this share button and look for this download button right here and download it and copy the link and take it to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for TikTok video downloader. So this is TikTok video downloader. Pick any one of your choice. Anyone works perfectly. Paste your link right here and click on the download button right here. And this would help you download the video onto your device. I'm not going to be using this video because I already have one I want to use, but this is the process to download it. This will download the video without a watermark. The very first option I showed you will download the video with a watermark. Okay, this is the app we're going to be using to animate our images to replicate the same dance motion that you see. Okay, so just download it and then use it. So I have it on my phone already. So I'm just going to click on this and open the app. So now that you're here, just click on this plus sign right here and click on mix. Now this is where you upload the video you downloaded from TikTok. This is where you upload your character. If you don't want to use the same song from your video, you can upload a different audio right here. And if you'd like to change the background of your dancing character, you can change the background. You can upload a different background right here. So now let's just do that. So I want to change the background of my video to a green screen so that I can remove the logo of this particular platform. So come to Google and type in green screen or green background. Okay, click on images right here and tap on any of the green screen. Come here, long press on the image or right click if you are using your laptop. Scroll down and click on download image. So now this has been downloaded. Let's go back to this particular app. So I'm just going to upload this. I'm going to change this background to this green screen that we just downloaded. Okay, now click on generate. This will take a couple of seconds. You just have to wait for this platform to generate your video. What I would advise is, if you want to animate a baby image, get a baby dancing video. That would help you get a better result than I got from this platform. Look at an example of what I'm talking about here. The audio is on mute to avoid copyright strikes from YouTube, but you can see, I'm sure it did well, but the character is looking quite funny. This is the first one. This is the previous one I did. You see, okay, it's trying to resize the baby character to the size of the video I uploaded. So that is why I said this particular platform is not so good with generating baby dance videos. So you can use adult animated characters. Now our video is ready. Click on it and see what it looks like. As you can see, this video is amazing. So I'm just going to click here to download this onto my device. So now the video is ready. The next thing is for us to take it to CapCut to go and remove the background, because the background usually downloads with that particular platform's logo or watermark. So click on new video and upload the newly downloaded video to your timeline. Now you can see it here. Now click on the video right here and scroll at the bottom of your screen. You would see this particular remove BG. Click on it and click on chroma key. Now move this roundish chroma key at the center, move it onto the green screen. Once the green screen is selected, move this to the front and also move the shadow to the front until when the video is absolutely clean. Okay, until when it is absolutely clean. Once you're satisfied with what you have, click on the good sign and then your video is ready. Now our video is without a background. If the logo is still showing right here, you can just zoom out a little, pinch the video here and zoom out a little so as to cut that off. Okay, as you can see, there's no more logo on it right here. Delete this CapCut logo at the back and also the Vigo logo at the back. You could just crop it out like this, or you split and delete. Now our video is clean, but we need to add a background to it. So now click out, just click on this empty space if you're using your smartphone and scroll here until you see background. Click on background right here. Go to colors. I want to use a plain background, so I'm just going to click on white and I'll use this. Apply to all and click on good. But if you have an existing background you want to use, you have to click on images and then go to your phone gallery to go and upload any of the background of your choice, or you could just select a background from here. So upload, you click here and it will take you to your phone gallery and you would attach it. That is it, and our video is ready. To download this, click here and export your video at 1080p 30 frames per second or recommended. I'm going to turn this off because I don't like the effect on my video. Okay, you can even increase this to 60 frames per second if you're using the pro version of CapCut. So that is it. Just click on export and your video is ready. Easy peasy. And this is our final result. This is super amazing. No glitches, no distortion. The video is perfect. Congratulations, you made it till the very end. Now go do your own and you can tag me to your videos. I'm sure you got value from this video, so do well to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so that you can get notified each time I upload an amazing video like this. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara and I'll see you in my next video. Do well to check out some of my previous videos and you definitely won't be disappointed. I'll see you in the comment section.